Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing of the Garmin Epix Gen 2. Let's go ahead and take a look. The Epix Gen 2 is the latest in Garmin's smartwatch premium line. The Epix Gen 2 has an AMOLED display. It has up to 16 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, and it has a wide range of health and fitness features, including wrist-based heart rate, respiration tracking, and stress monitoring. It also has a variety of sports apps, including trail running, swimming, running, biking, hiking, rowing, skiing, golfing, surfing, and indoor climbing, and many more. The watch is also equipped with multi-band GPS and GLONASS for accurate tracking, as well as built-in altimeter, barometer, and a compass. It has a variety of smartwatch features, including notifications, music storage, and Garmin Pay for contactless payments. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box. All right, so we have our watch. Let's go ahead and take that out for a minute and just see what else comes in the box here. Okay, so we have our charging cable, and our charging cable is USB-A to Garmin's proprietary connection. We also have a couple user manuals, Garmin user manual in different languages, and another manual for all of the safety and product information that comes with most of these watches. All right, let's go ahead and get that out of the way. And let's go ahead and take a look at the watch. So this is a 47 millimeter case on the watch. This is the steel version with the graphite rubber band. Go ahead and take it off of this cushion. All right, so let's just take a little bit closer look here at the watch. So we've got on the left hand side, we've got 3 buttons, which is standard for Garmin. And then on the right hand side, we have our 2 buttons. On the bottom, we have our charging port and our sensors. And we have 22 millimeter quick connect bands. So let's go ahead and power this on. There we go. And we'll let that go ahead and boot up. Okay, and the watch is finished booting up here. So we have a beautiful AMOLED display. This screen is very nice. It doesn't do any justice on the camera. I have a Garmin Fenix 6X with the standard screen, and there is a night and day difference. Let me just grab the 6X here so you can see them side by side. Let's see, so let's go ahead and turn that on. As you can see, the 6X Pro is not as vibrant and does not have the AMOLED display. All right, so let's just go ahead and take a look here so we can cycle through, and we've got our widgets here, I believe is what Garmin calls them. And this has all of our information. It has notifications, calories count. It has Spotify, so you can link your Spotify account. It does have offline storage, so you can store music, and you will not need your phone to listen to the music. And let's take a look at the sports feature. So if we press the button over here, and this will give us into our sports section here. So we have strength, we have cardio, we have HIIT, we have hiking. We can go ahead and add more in here. There's some other options, track me and mapping, lots of stuff. So if we go in here, we can go ahead and add a different sport. So let's say we wanted to add in some gym. We can go here. They have, oops, I clicked on the wrong one there. Let's click back. Add. Down to gym and select. So we've got yoga, Pilates, treadmill, elliptical machine, stair stepper, row indoor, bike indoor, climb indoor, bouldering, pool swim, floor climb. As you can see, there's just endless supply of any sport. They have other, let's go ahead and take a look at other. So we have our walking, there's golf for you golfers, there's horseback, there's breathe work, there's jump master, there's tactical, there's anchor, and many others. So lots of features on this watch. Okay, so let's take a look and see how we go ahead and create a workout on our Garmin Epix Gen 2. This can be done with your smartphone. So we'll go ahead and set the watch down here, grab my smartphone. And you'll do this by opening up the Garmin Connect app. Once you open the Garmin Connect app, you'll press on the little hamburger over on the side with the 3 lines. Then we're going to go to training and planning, workouts, and then we're going to create a workout. And then from here, you can pick the type of workout. You can choose from running, cycling, swimming, strength training, cardio, HIIT, yoga, Pilates, or you can do a custom one. So let's just go ahead and do a cardio. So we'll go ahead and select cardio, and then we can go ahead and select our steps. So we have a warm-up step, we have our workout, and then we have our cool down. So for our warm-up, we can select the type of exercise that we want. So let's say that we want to just do some stretching for our warm-up. We can go ahead and search for stretch, and then we have all these different stretches that we can put in here, all these different stretches to select. So let's just say that we're going to do some, let's see. Let's say we're going to do some shoulder stretching. And then from there, we can go ahead and we can put if there's any weight included, the type of target. So we can pick calories, heart rate, time, or reps. So we're going to go ahead and select time. We'll say, let's do a 3-minute warm-up. We can click back, and now we have our warm-up, and then do the same thing for our workout. So let's go ahead and select an exercise, and let's do some weighted squats, and we'll go ahead and add in some weight here. We'll start with, say, 70 pounds. We can pick our target, which is reps, and then how many reps. We'll go with 10 reps, and we click back, and then we have our cool down. So if we click on cool down, then we can pick our cool down exercise, and let's say we want to just do, let's see if there is a, I don't think there's anything for cool down. Let's say we just want to do some walking as our cool down, then we can go ahead and select that. And you'll notice that with walking, The target is grayed out. So the target type, we can go ahead and select time, and let's say we're going to walk for 3 minutes. Once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and save it, and we'll give it a name. So we'll just say test cardio. We'll click save, and now we have our new workout. We can click on that, and then we can click on the button here and select our Epix, and now it's sent that to our watch. Okay, we're going to go ahead and select cardio by pressing the right button here, and we'll hold in our middle button, and we will go to cardio settings. Oops, we'll go back here. We'll go down to training, and then we will go to our workout library. And then in the library, there are different workouts that are in here. We're going to scroll down until we see our test cardio, and this will have our workout. So then we can actually view our workout right here. So we have 3 steps, and if we select that, we can actually look and see. So there's our shoulder stretch for 3 minutes. Then we go into our 70-pound weighted squats, 10 reps of those. And then we have our 3 minutes of walking for our cool down. And then to start that, we press the button again. Oops, we'll click the back button, and we'll scroll up to do workout and select that. And then we'll hit this button, and that will start our workout. And that will skip to our next one, and our next one. And that'll be our workout is completed. Okay, so let's talk about some of the pros. The first thing is just this stunning AMOLED display. It does have a long battery life compared to other smartwatches. It has a wide range of health and wellness features, a variety of sports apps. It has the accuracy from GPS and GLONASS tracking. It has the built-in altimeter, barometer, and compass, and then it has a variety of smart features. Some of the other cons are going to be it is a bit bulky. As you can see, it's a bit thick compared to some other smartwatches that are thinner in size. For instance, I have a Galaxy Watch 4 here, and we can compare and see the difference. So the Galaxy Watch is much thinner and less bulky than the Garmin. And then the other thing is there's no touch screen in certain modes. So it is touch screen. So you can use the touch screen, but there are certain modes that it specifies where the touch screen does not work, and you do have to use the buttons to navigate. If you're used to a Garmin, it shouldn't be an issue. Most of them did not have touch screens. The Phoenix 6 that I showed earlier does not have touch screen. It's all controlled by buttons. Okay, so at the time of filming, this particular model is $799.99, so $800 US. So it is a bit expensive compared to some other smartwatches that are out there on the market. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks again for watching.